So this would be an example of a solid post. This is a probably 3" by 4.5" ash, right? None of this stuff, when it gets that thick, is kiln dried. You can see the saw curve from the sawyer's, I believe it's a 5-foot blade. Left it there. This is a saw curve actually from my saw, which is a 1.5" TPI bandsaw, an 18". And then an example of what kind of stuff you can do with, these are actually pretty easy to do, mitering that nice top on it, you know. And then this one, I already have some joint around. This one is an example of the type where we would put the threaded metal tenon on the post rather than putting it on the end of on the end grade of the board like we've done on these. This actually goes on the post, and there's different reasons for doing that I'll catch at some other time. But again, that's another example of a post made from solid lumber.